Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying what audio outputs your monitor actually offers and why that matters. 3. 5mm and optical carry audio directly, USB may or may not. Once done, choose a Bluetooth transmitter that matches that output and supports a low-latency codec if you need sync. Plug the transmitter into the monitor's audio out, power it by USB or included adapter, and set the transmitter into pairing mode so it's discoverable. This gets the hardware linked and ready for device connection. Next, configure the transmitter and the device you want to pair with the monitor so latency and compatibility match. Make sure the transmitter is set to the same input type you used. If it has codec switches, pick low latency for video. On your phone or headset, enable Bluetooth and select the transmitter entry. Once paired, check the monitor's audio or input menus to ensure it's outputting sound to the selected port. If audio is weak, raise monitor output level or transmitter gain slightly. Finally, test with video and spoken audio to confirm sync and clarity. Adjust volumes on both monitor and paired device for balanced sound. If pairing fails or there's no audio, first verify the cable and USB power are solid, then unpair any previously connected devices that might steal the link. If problems persist, power cycle the transmitter, try a factory reset per the device instructions, and check for firmware updates. This single external transmitter approach is the only reliable way to give a non-Bluetooth monitor Bluetooth capability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.